Welcome to Auto Nation Garage, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Whether you're an enthusiast, a collector, or someone just curious about cars, we're here to bring you in-depth reviews, updates, and everything you need to know about your favorite vehicles. In today's video, we're diving into the 2025 Porsche Cayenne, an SUV that continues to redefine luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. The 2025 Porsche Cayenne takes the iconic SUV to the next level with even more refined features, improved technology, and a driving experience that Porsche enthusiasts expect. It combines outstanding performance with a level of luxury that sets it apart from its competitors in the segment. For 2025, Porsche has made significant updates to both the exterior and interior of the Cayenne, ensuring it stays ahead of the curve in terms of style and sophistication. One of the standout features of the 2025 Cayenne is its powertrain options. Porsche offers a range of engine choices, including V6 and V8 configurations, allowing buyers to choose the right amount of power for their driving needs. The base Cayenne comes with a 3.0-liter V6 engine, offering a balance of performance and efficiency. For those looking for more power, the Cayenne Turbo features a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, which delivers an exhilarating 541 horsepower and an impressive 567 pound-feet of torque. There's also the Cayenne e-Hybrid, which brings together performance and eco-conscious driving with a hybrid powertrain, delivering a combined output of 455 horsepower. In terms of performance, the 2025 Cayenne doesn't disappoint. With a refined suspension system and the Porsche Active Suspension Management (PASM) system, the Cayenne offers an incredibly smooth and dynamic driving experience. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or taking it out for a thrilling drive on the highway, the Cayenne delivers the performance that Porsche is known for. The handling is precise, and the ride quality is exceptional, with the vehicle staying composed even on rougher roads. Inside, the 2025 Cayenne impresses with its luxurious cabin, featuring premium materials such as leather upholstery, wood trims, and high-end finishes. The 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system takes center stage on the dashboard, offering intuitive controls and compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also an available 14-speaker Burmester sound system for audiophiles who want to take their in-car entertainment to the next level. Additionally, the 2025 Cayenne offers plenty of space for both passengers and cargo, with an easy-to-use layout that ensures comfort for long drives. Porsche has also made advancements in technology and safety for the 2025 Cayenne. It comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a surround view camera system. These features make the Cayenne safer and more convenient to drive, offering peace of mind for both the driver and passengers. The exterior design of the 2025 Cayenne is sleek and bold, maintaining the aggressive yet elegant styling that has become synonymous with Porsche. The redesigned front end features a more aggressive grille and slimmer headlights, giving the SUV a more modern and athletic look. The rear end has also been updated, with new taillights and a more sculpted shape that enhances its overall presence on the road. In conclusion, the 2025 Porsche Cayenne continues to impress with its combination of luxury, performance, and advanced technology. Whether you're after a high-performance SUV, a hybrid option, or just a vehicle that exudes sophistication, the 2025 Cayenne has something to offer. If you want to keep up with the latest car reviews and news, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Auto Nation Garage. Stay tuned for more exciting content.